Acer Palmatum, the Japanese maple. This is one of the most stunning bonsai species you can grow. But its beauty comes with need for careful, attentive care. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to help your Japanese maple bonsai thrive, season after season. Japanese maple love sunlight, but full afternoon sun can scorch their leaves. So the best position, full morning sun with light shade during the hottest hours of the day. If temperatures go above 85 Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius, provide shade with mesh or place it under taller trees. And remember, good air circulation prevents fungal infections, especially in humid environments. Watering is all about balance. In summer, water daily or even twice if it's very hot. In spring and autumn, water every 2 to 3 days. In winter, water less, but never let the soil dry out completely. Check moisture using a chopstick if needed, but never overdo it. Too much moisture can invite fungus. Now let's talk about fertilizing. If you want fast growth or a thicker trunk, use high nitrogen fertilizer in spring. For more balanced growth, apply standard fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. By late summer, switch to low nitrogen to help the tree harden off for winter. Avoid, in general, over-fertilizing. It can lead to huge leaves and long internodes. Pruning is key to shaping your tree. In spring, pinch new buds to encourage fine ramification.
First 2 leaves, and then you have a second pair of leaves that you want to pinch away. As you can see, this is more vigorous, and that's why you had the second pair of leaves. It is more vigorous because it is at the end of the branch, and therefore it's pushing more strongly. Typically, internal buds will not make a secondary set of leaves because they have less vigor. Here again, at the end of this branch, you see we have a first pair of leaves and a second pair of leaves. And we take it out.
In summer, partial defoliation helps structure the branches. Acer Palmatum has strong apical dominance, so the tops grows really fast. So prune upper branches more aggressively to keep the tree balanced. Repotting is best in early spring, just as the buds swell. Young trees should be repotted every 1 to 2 years. Mature ones every 3 to 5. When you repot, remove all soil completely and cut thick roots. Keep the fine feeder roots as they absorb most of the nutrients. Use slightly acidic to neutral bonsai soil for best results. Now let's cover pests and diseases. Aphids, mites, and scale insects often attack new growth in spring. Treat them with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Watch out for powdery mildew and verticillum wilt. Good airflow, light misting, and proper sun exposure help prevent these issues. Leaf scorch can also be a problem. To avoid it, give your tree shade during the peak heat season. Keep watering consistent and protect it from strong winds. Caring for an Acer Palmatum takes patience, observation, and the right techniques. Here are the golden rules to follow. Morning sun and afternoon shade. Moist but never soggy soil. Fertilize based on your goals. Pinch and prune smartly. Repot every few years. And stay alert for pests and fungus. With time and love, your Japanese maple will reward you with breathtaking colors, delicate structure, and peaceful beauty. Thanks for watching, and remember, anyone can play bonsai.